morning, viewers. I'm on Laxon Street. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. And many years ago, in the 1990s, the first big mall I ever went to, here in Bacolod City, was Robinson's Place. I went here when it was brand new. Yes, that was in the 90s. And for the last few months, it's been under renovation here. And today I'm going to have a look before it opens, as it seems there's a few new restaurants just about to open. It doesn't look far from finishing at all. So we'll take a look before the place opens. Here's Robinson's Place on the left. It's been here for a long time, but it's changing. There's a huge new renovation there at the front, and it looks like it's going to be a restaurant area, which should have great views of the road. It used to be a car park at the front there. They seem to have taken it over completely. I can see a couple of new restaurants already. One says Matcha Latte, and the other one next to it says Taste of Tuscany. I'm not sure if that's going to be Italiani's or something else. And above that it says opening soon. So this is the new look Robinson's Place on Laxon Street in Bacolod City. Let's go and take a look round the back. There's an IT centre at the back. This is going to be the new frontage on Laxon Street. It's 8 o'clock. The only people here are the guards. Here's the IT building at the back. And this is Go Hotels. That looks like it's been renovated as well. Here's the parking at the back. There's only bikes here. That's the IT building. I think it's open. Maybe I'm too early. But that's the new look Robinson's Place, with the new extension at the front. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one.